To organize app drawer on the Samsung Galaxy A57, we got a few options. The first one, when you click and hold on the three dots and go for a sort, you can go for a custom order. So it means that you can right now click and hold any application, but do not hold it that much because you will simply move into the home screen. So you have to quickly click and hold, then drag to one of the edge and put it literally wherever you want. Now, you can also get this the alphabetic order, and you can just swipe up and down or use this scale to move faster, especially useful if you have a lot of applications. And with this custom one, we can of course also create some folders. So we have to go for the application, then move it above another one, and as you can see, the folder will be created. So you can also put it wherever you want. And that's basically how it looks. By going to the settings, we can change that app screen grid, for example, by 5 by 6. And we can even change the folder grid. So now the folder should look bigger. Yeah, but it only will be bigger when you go for a home screen, not here. If you want to remove any folder, just click and hold it, select delete, and now all of those apps will go back into your application drawer. You can also click here to clean up pages. And now, as you can see, it will stack every icon next to each other. And that's how it looks.